Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is:
Determine the molar mass of KHP. Show your work with units. Calculate the mass of potassium hydrogen phthalate required for a 25 titration with the prepared NaOH. The answer of the question is the molar mass of KHP is 204.23 gram per mole, and the mass of KHP is required for a 25 milliliter titration with NaOH is 5.10575 gram, 5.10575 C gram, where C is the concentration of the NaOH solution in mole per liter. This is the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave your comment. I will be answering you. As I soon as again, thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel.